takes a piece out of our hearts.
Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to Ikea. Yay! It's our first time it's really our first time since I came here in UK. It's my first time to go in Ikea, and it was open few weeks ago. And we're gonna do an Ikea haul later. We're definitely gonna buy some living room stuff kasi we don't have curtains yet. We need to change our curtain in the living room. And we're going to Exeter branch kasi they don't have a branch here in Plymouth. The travel is around 30 minutes. And please stay tuned. I'm gonna tour you around in Exeter Ikea. And I'm gonna show you later as well the things that we're gonna buy. So please stay with us, stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you later what we got on the shop. See ya!
Takes a piece out of our hearts, so I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change, desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go until we're both on souls running out for love. Was a lost art.
We're here. Ian is already wearing a mask, but I will gonna wear mine once in the main entrance. Exciting. We need to go through in this one here.
Put your mask on.
Okay.
Get your bag.
Get one.
Hey, look, it's Philippines.
It's so summer.
It's the Philippines.
Get two, love.
What?
Just get two. Yeah. So the restaurant is there. You need to book if you're going to eat or dine in the restaurant.
Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts, so I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change, desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go until we're both on souls running out for love. You were there with open arms when I thought love was a lost art.
No, it should be dark, love. This is so cute.
Wanna be a little stronger. Each fall darkest parts of me. I need a change, desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go. Till we're both on souls, running out for love. When I thought love was a lost.
We're looking for this to match this, because this one is, the lamp is not included. I mean the bulb is not included. Just one? Huh? They have. I want that one.
Which one?
Hot dog.
Got 2 hot dogs. Show the meatballs.
Yeah,
It's nice. It's up to them. Look like they've got the sauce.
that's fine. Why?
There's the mustard.
Why?
It's quite strong.
Really?
Yeah.
Should I remove it then?
No, it's nice with the ketchup. Just make sure you put ketchup on it.
I put a lot of mustard.
Oh. Oh. You wait.
Oh! Oh! I don't like it.
It's strong, isn't it?
Mm.
Right. It's funny. It doesn't burn or hot. It's weird. It's not like chili or anything, is it? Nice though.
Mm. For only 45 pence.
Oh.
Mm. There is an aftertaste. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Later. Don't finish it. Don't finish it all. I only ate one. He left me only one piece of meatball.
Filipina.
The heck? You ate how many? 4? 4 or 5? Mm.
Right, nice. Huh?
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Why?
Mm.
Because it's 6 o'clock though.
No, it's 17. guys! Hello again! We're back home and now ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin sa Ikea. So the first thing that we bought are the curtains. So we've got 6 curtains. Each pack has two curtains. So this one, this is the lining. These 2 curtains at the back needs changing because this type of curtain is not for lunch area or living room, so we need to change them. Ian also got it from Ikea. So this lighter color is for the lining, and then this one here, the brand is Billboard. So it's it's gray or light gray also, and it's quite thick. So this is for the outer lining or the outer curtain here to replace this one. Alright, the next one is we've got a saucepan. So it's easier for me to cook soup now because of this. So we're gonna bring this back. We're gonna bring this to Lincoln. And we've got candles, scented candles. I think it's around £5 only. It's free in a box with different colors. It smells good. Yeah, we're gonna use it here and place it on the center table. And lastly, we've got this. So what is this? It's a lamp. It's a bedside lamp. Let's open it. We've got 2 of this because we don't have a lamp in our bedroom. Bulb is not included, so we also bought 2 bulbs for each lamp. So that's it guys. Later ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng curtains pag nakabit na namin siya, and as well as yung bedroom lamp kung maganda ba siya tingnan sa aming bedside table. So this is how the lamps look on our bedside table. And also you can adjust the brightness up and down.
Takes a piece out of our hearts, so I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change, just be replay. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go until we're both on souls running out for love.
And this is the finished product. It's so much brighter than before. That's it for today guys. Salamat ng sobra. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Sa family ko, shout out pala sa inyo. And sa friends ko sa Saudi Arabia. Also my friends sa YouTube na nakilala ko lang na naging sisters ko na rin. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na mention kayo isa-isa, but really thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Yun lang. lang po, dito ko na po tatapusin yung vlog ko for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at sana may nakuha din kayong kunting information sa vlog ko. That's it guys, and God bless you all. See you! Bye!